Hello everyone. Welcome back to our class on Google Ads. Okay, so I'll be telling you in this class how to track or monitor your ads, how to check your ads performance, how to know if your ads are performing very well or if they are not. Okay, so if they are, the essence of the class is that if you observe that your ads are performing well, you can either increase your budget, to reach more audience, or if they are not performing very well, you can make adjustments where necessary. So I'm going to click on sign in now and then log into my Google Ads account and use my own account to show you, okay, the results of my ads and how you too can monitor your own ad performance using either your computer or your smartphone. I'll show you how to do this. Now, I'm using a laptop for this particular training, but I'll also show you how to do that on your smartphone, whether an Android device or Apple phone. So let's go straight into it. Let me click on sign in now and let's check it out together. Okay. So I just clicked on sign in and it is loading. Okay, so it has loaded. Now, depending on the type of ad you are running, once it loads this way, you are going to see the campaign right there at the front of your screen. So if you keep scrolling, you will see more information on that. But if you look at the top over here, you will notice that it is showing the date of your ad. So here is where you need to select either to check that ad from this week or the last 7 days or the last 1 month or 30 days and all of that. So you can select any of the options here. And then on this side, you need to select the year if you want to check your ad performance for last year or this year, all of that. You can just edit it up here or select it from here too. Then you can choose the days of the months that you want, the months up here. You can choose the month as well from here, either March, okay, or you can choose any other month in the year. You can also come to this session and choose any of the options here. Okay, so this is where you select to know your ads performance for the day. If it is for today, you click on today. If it is for yesterday, you click on yesterday. If it is the last 1 week, you click on it and select the appropriate option for yourself, okay, based on what you want to check. Okay, so now I selected the option for myself, but you can always choose the one you want. Now when you click on this your results, I don't know if you are seeing this clearly. Okay, let me bring down the camera a little bit. Okay, so this is where you need to check the performance. Now, the last ad that I have running with search ad here, this is for a search ad. I have like 2 or 3 campaigns on this particular one, but this is for a search traffic ad. Okay, so here, this session tells you about the number of clicks that you've gotten so far on the ad. So if you are running an ad and you've gotten, regardless of type of ad it is, even if it is display ad, YouTube ad, or any other kind of ad, this place explains the clicks, as in the number of clicks people have clicked on that ad to your website. This site explains the impressions. The impressions there are number of times those ads has been viewed but have not been clicked on, or those ads has appeared in places where people can see them but have not been clicked on. So if you notice, this place now is showing that this ad has been shown 2,400 times or 2,490 times. Okay, so this part explains the number of times this ad has been displayed, and this session explains the number of clicks it has generated. Now, this CPC is the amount that Google charged you for each ad that was clicked on. That is for each click that you got on this ad. This is the average amount that Google charged you for it. And this is the cost for all of these clicks. You were charged $9 for all of these clicks. Okay, so when you are running your own campaign, this is how to observe, to know your campaign performance. Here you see the clicks, this plays the impressions, and here the CPC. If your CPC is too high, you can now go back to the campaign and edit it by clicking on campaigns here or choosing the campaign from up here, and then go to that campaign and edit it to change one or two things on it, maybe change location or change any other thing. Now, if the campaign is not performing very well, you can as well as change maybe the banner image there or any other thing, the headline, the description, or anything that you feel is not really catchy on the ad. You can just edit that particular stuff from here. Okay, so but this is where you check it and know the performance of your ad. Now, when you go down a little bit more, you also see the summary of how your campaigns are performing. All of these things are here for you to see, the clicks, the CTR. Now, the CTR is the percentage of the clicks you are getting when compared or when matched with the views, as in with the impressions. Okay, the percentage of the clicks you are getting, when combined with the views that you are getting. The views are the impressions there. Okay, so you can check the CTR. Now, if the CTR is less than 5%, it means that that ad is not performing very well. You should always target a CTR from 5 to 20%. If it's less than 5%, it simply means that ad is not performing very well. So you have to you know make some editings to it. Now, for me, I'm running this ad with $2 per day. You can see it here, $2 per day. But I can as well as edit this budget and change it to maybe $5 per day if I notice that it's not performing very well. But for an ad of $2 per day to be delivering 131 clicks with $9, I think it is fair. It is fair. Yes, as a businessman, you must always fight to keep your costs to the lowest amount possible. You must always fight to keep your cost or try to keep your cost to the lowest amount possible. So if there is a way to still minimize this cost, trim it down a little bit more, I will still do that. I will edit this budget if I were your shoe and then bring it down a little bit more. Now, if you come over to this side, this is how the campaign has been performing also. Okay, it's displayed here. So now you will see the keywords that has been bringing the most traffic to me and how much each of these keyword has cost me. Now, that's the same way on your own part. This session is for you to check, that's if you're running a search ad, it's for you to check the keywords that's been bringing the most traffic to you and how much you've been spending for each of those keywords. Now, if you're running a display ad, it will be a different ballgame. It won't be showing you this thing like this. It's going to show you the people, it's going to show you yes, the keywords also, but not really in this format. Okay, it's going to show you the people, the blogs, and all of that for you to see. That's the blogs that your ads has been displayed on, and then you'll be able to see where you are getting your most clicks from. Now, if your ads are not converting, but you are getting high amount of clicks from a particular blog, it means that that blog is not working out for you. So you can either remove the blog from this session or report the blog to Google. That's why you discover that some bloggers who have AdSense accounts end up losing it after some time because the publishers may report that's their ID or whatever it's called to Google. Okay, so then this side, you still see, these are the keywords that I actually set up when I was creating this ad. So that people who are searching for GT Bank, Zenith Bank, First Bank, and all of these things will see the post I made on how to create accounts with First Bank on Google. Okay, that's the intention. Okay, so the intention of using those keywords, okay, is to drive traffic quickly to my posts on how to create bank accounts. So that's the post I use for this. So if you look, you see up here the way my ad appears on search engines when people search for it. You see the way my ads appear. It appears as open First Bank accounts online and First Bank accounts opening and all of that. So here I then put how to open Facebook accounts online with your phone, tablet, or computer. How to create Facebook account. Now the reason I went for this is because that niche will bring me high CPC when people come to my site and click on my own ads. Okay. So, but like I said, it's very expensive to run ads like this using that finance niche. You can go for something else unless you have the budget, unless you have the money to do that. Now, this session is for you to see the devices that are clicking on your ads the most, or the devices that people are using to click on your ads the most. You know, when your ads are displayed on people's devices, the ones that they use, you know, that is converting more for you. So up here, you can see that computer and mobile phones are actually converting more for me than tablets. Tablets are not really giving me anything, just giving me like 1% traffic. Can you see? Tablet is this one in red here, 1% traffic, which is very, very low for me. Very, very low. So I'm getting my most clicks from mobile phone and computer. So that will now help me as a blogger to know how to adjust my website, you know, so that people who are coming with their smartphones, because yeah, over 70% of the users that are coming to my site here are using their mobile phones. So that will help me to now, you know, edit my site in such a way that people will find it easier to access with their mobile phones. Now, down here, you see the demographics. This is it has to do with gender and age of the people that are visiting or clicking on my ads. So here you now check people who are clicking on your ads. What age are they? What age are they? And you know their gender. From here you see that I have more males clicking on my ads than females. I have more males clicking on my ads, and they are within the age of 18 to 54. 18 to 54. Now your product may have more people clicking on it, or more older people clicking on it, depending on the kind of ad you are running or the product that you are running. So, and then this session is for you to know the hour and the day. Like some days you may have higher impressions, higher clicks, and on other days you may have lower impressions, higher clicks, and on other days and time and all of that, you know, it fluctuates, it's not stable. So this is where you monitor it. On Wednesday, I had more performance, more impression, than I had on Tuesday. Then on Thursdays, I have more impressions than I had on Friday. So this is where you check all of that, the day and the hour that your ads are performing very well. That will now help you if you are going to run an ad, you know whether to run your ad on weekends or run it first days of the week, you know, like from Monday to Tuesday, or from Thursday to Saturday, or from Thursday to Sunday. Now, if you want to do that, you just click on this ad schedule over here and edit it properly. So that's how you monitor the best days and time for you to run your ad. And then you come to this session, is you just find tips. These are ideas on things you can do to earn more from your ads, things you can do to earn more from your ad. Now, apart from using your computer to, you know, monitor these things, you can also use your smartphone. How to do that is simply go to Google Play Store and click on or download Google Ads app, Google Ads app on Play Store. Okay, so download this Google Ads app on Play Store. You can see it here, Google Ads. Just go to your Google Play Store and download this particular app. This is how it's going to look like. This is the logo. If you see this logo, that's the ad. That's the app I'm talking about. So simply download it, install it, and then log in using your Google account that is connected to your ad, your Google Ads AdWords account. Okay, just use it to sign in. And the moment you sign in, the report will be shown in this same way for you to monitor it. The report will be shown in this way for you to monitor it on your screen. So that's how you monitor your ad performance to know whether you are doing well and where you need to make editing.